Welcome to Module 2 of the course, Core Concepts of Intelligent Agents. In this session, we'll dive deep into what makes an agent truly intelligent. We'll decode their architecture, explore types of agents, and understand how they sense, decide, and act. So let's begin. What is an intelligent agent? Imagine someone who observes the world around them, remembers useful information, makes smart decisions, and takes action to achieve a goal. That's exactly what an intelligent agent does, but in software form. An intelligent agent is a program that perceives its environment, reasons through possibilities, chooses the best action, and executes that action. It works in cycles. It sees, thinks, and acts continuously. Anatomy of an AI agent. Let's break down an agent into 4 key components. Perception. This is how the agent collects data from the environment. It could be through sensors, APIs, user input, or database queries. Memory. The agent stores past experiences or retrieve knowledge. Think of it as the agent's brain archive, crucial for decision-making. Planning. This is the real intelligence part. The agent decides what to do, when to do it, and how to do it, often breaking down a goal into subtasks. Action. Finally, the agent takes action. It could respond to a user, call a tool, send an email, or even generate a report. These 4 components form the agent loop. Observe, think, act, repeat. Types of AI agents. Now let's look at different types of intelligent agents. Each one gets more capable and complex. 1. Simple reflex agents. These agents operate on condition action rules. If they see X, they do Y. Example: a thermostat. If temperature is below 18 degrees, turn on the heater. Simple logic, no memory. 2. Model-based reflex agents. These agents keep track of the world. They build a basic model of their environment using memory. Imagine a smart vacuum cleaner. It remembers which rooms it has already cleaned and avoids going back unnecessarily. 3. Goal-based agents. These agents have a specific objective. They don't just react, they plan to achieve a result. Let's say the goal is to book the cheapest flight from Delhi to Bangalore. The agent will compare routes, check prices, and decide the best option. 4. Utility-based agents. These are the most advanced type. They don't just chase goals. They evaluate how good or bad a result is using something called a utility function. For example, if an agent is planning a road trip, it might prefer a longer route with better road quality and fewer tolls, maximizing comfort, not just speed. Decision-making in agents. Agents need to make decisions under uncertainty, and they often use techniques like decision trees, if this then that. Search algorithms like BFS or A*, especially for planning paths. Rule-based systems, good for chatbots or domain-specific logic. Probabilistic models, for agents dealing with noisy data, like sensors. And of course, reinforcement learning for agents that learn from rewards. We'll explore some of these in later modules. Multi-agent systems. Sometimes it's not just one agent. In multi-agent systems, several agents work together or compete to solve a problem. Think of fleet management systems, where agents coordinate vehicle routing. Game AI, where every character is an agent. Or collaborative bots, each handling a part of a large task like data extraction, summarization, and report writing. These agents communicate, coordinate, and sometimes even negotiate with each other. This is where things get really interesting. Reactive versus deliberative agents. Another important distinction. Reactive agents respond instantly. They don't plan. They just act based on current input. Deliberative agents, on the other hand, take time to analyze, reason, and then act. For quick tasks, reactive works best. But for research, planning, and decision-making, deliberative wins. Real-world examples of intelligent agents. Let's make this more relatable. Siri or Alexa, goal-based agents. Chatbots, usually reactive or rule-based. Self-driving cars, utility-based agents with constant perception and planning. Stock trading bots, some are reactive, others goal-based with deep data memory. Virtual personal assistants. These are evolving into full agentic AI systems with planning, memory, and tool use. Key takeaways. Agents are not just chatbots. They think, plan, and act. Types of agents range from simple reflex to complex utility-based ones. The true power of agentic AI comes from combining memory, reasoning, and action in loops. Multi-agent collaboration is the next frontier, and decision-making under uncertainty is what sets intelligent agents apart. That wraps up Module 2. In the next module, we'll uncover the building blocks that allow agents to store memory, choose tools, and take smarter actions. We'll move one step closer to building your very own intelligent agent. So stay tuned, and let's keep the momentum going. See you in Module 3. Till then, keep exploring and keep learning, machine learning and deep learning.